Hello everyone, this is Vijayalakshmi Patil. Today you are going to learn quality of population. In this you will learn how we can improve the quality of population, what are the provisions government has given to the people to get the good education in a country. Before we should go, meaning of quality of population. Quality of population determines how capable the human resource of a country is ensured at productivity, standard of living and social activity. The quality of population depends upon the literacy rate, health of a person indicated by life expectancy and skill formation acquired by the people of the country. Means the quality of the population ultimately decides the growth rate of the country. So, literate and healthy population are an asset. Next, role of education. Education is play a very important role for every human being. Education is an important input for the growth of people. It's open new scopes, provide the new aspiration and develop a value for life. That means when you are more educated, getting higher education, then you will be get a good position in the society and you have become an asset to the country. Education contributes towards the growth of society also. It enhances the national income, cultural richness and increase the efficiency of governance. So, students, education is not only a globe information or media information, but education, it's the time, the speed, the quality services we can provide. So, one person is educated, he can bring more changes in education. So now, what the facility or the provisions emphasizes on providing the education to people. Government has given a special provision emphasizes on providing education to the people. What are those? Providing universal access, attention and quality in elementary education with a special focus on girls. It means here it has given a lot of opportunities to the girls. They has given a special privileges, a special focus on girls. Establishment of schools like Navodaya Vidyalaya in each district. These schools we have seen in district for the sake of talented children in rural areas. It also given opportunity occasional streams developed to provide a skill-based education. What does it mean? Occasional stream developed to provide the skill-based education. Here, it has been developed to provide a large number of high schools students with the occupations related to knowledge and skills. Investment in education has increased at the same way literacy rates have increased more among males than females. So, literacy rates vary from state to state, that is 94% in Kerala to 62 in Bihar. The plan outlay on education has increased from rupees 151 crore in first plan to rupees 3766.90 crores in 11th plan. Means first plan to 11th plan they have to contribute for the education amount is 3766.90 crores. This much amount they have to invest it on education. Why? Because people get more educated. If they are more educated, then it develop the society, it develop the country. So because of this, literacy rates have increased now from 18% in 1951 to 74% in 2010-11. The expenditure on education as a percentage of GDP rose 0.64% to 3.0%. It increased and further declined to 2.7% in 2011-18. Why it has been declined? Because of huge expansion of schools has been diluted by poor quality of schooling and high dropout rate. So, but understanding this, government has taken initiative step to improve the basic education in the country through Sarva Shikshana Abhiyana. It is a significant step towards providing the elementary education to all children in the age group of 6 to 14 years by 2010. It is a time-bound initiative of the central government in partnership with the states, the local government and the community for achieving the goals of universal elementary education. That means here government has given a facility to every children who are in this country. Means rural as well as urban, every children they have to get the free education from the age group of 6 to 14 years. And also bridge courses and back to school campus have been initiated to increase the admission in elementary education. To encourage the attendance and retention of children and improvement in nutritional status, the government has announced the scheme. They have to launch the scheme that is midday meal. These policies could add to the literate population of India. The next one, the 12th 5-year plan. In this, what are the others program they have to adopt it to improve the higher quality of education? See in this, endeavor to increase the enrollment in education, increase the investment on higher education in the group of 18 to 23 years. See now the government has given a more concentration on higher education. That means after PUC what type of education is possible, that all type of education they want to be accumulate in India. So the plan also focus on distance education, convergence of formula, non-formula distance and education institution. These are the plans they have to made in 12th 5-year plan. There has been past 50 years, there has been a significant growth in the number of university and institution of higher learning in specialized areas. So, I hope all are understood. Thank you everyone.